Welcome. I am going to guide you into a restful sleep by taking you on a relaxing train ride through the beautiful countryside. Get cozy in your bed and make sure that nobody is going to bother you. Get as comfortable as you can, snuggling up with your blanket and pillow. Let your eyes close whenever they want to. Feeling cozy now, allow your breathing to slow down with each breath you take. Breathe in a nice full breath and slowly let the breath go. Breathe in deeply and let your breath out very slowly. Breathe in again as full as you can and breathe out. Letting your breath return to normal now. Notice how it has a special rhythm and flow to it. Now notice your mind and how it is maybe thinking of various things about your life and your day. Observe how perhaps some visual moments flash in your mind, or maybe you feel them. You may be able to hear sounds with your thoughts. Letting images of your life fade away now. Imagine that in front of you is a board that you can write on. There is a marker that is your favorite color. Take this marker and begin to write the number 10 on the board. Hearing the sounds of the marker going across the board. Now find the eraser and erase the number 10. And when you do, you feel even more relaxed and a little sleepier. Write the number 9. See it in your favorite color. And erase the number 9. Feeling sleepy and calm. Now write the number 8 and feel how this number is easy to write in one continuous motion. Erase the 8 and notice how this makes you feel very sleepy. Continue writing each number. 7. Erasing it, feeling so relaxed. 6. Write it out. Then erase it, along with any charged up energy feeling yourself very cozy. 5, and erase it. So sleepy with each number. 4, very happy, and slowing down little by little. 3, 2, and 1. You are so relaxed and tired. So allow me to take you on a sleepy train ride. Bring into your imagination that you are walking towards a long train parked in the countryside. The engine of the train is stopped at an old station in the middle of nowhere, and the long train extends into the horizon. You are walking several sections back, and you notice an open wagon. You see the workers getting ready to depart. The steam is billowing out from the engine. You hop on the open wagon and find it is filled with fresh hay. You hear the train horn blowing and the sounds of distant voices calling, "All aboard." You lay down in the hay, and it is perfectly comfortable. You are positioned in a way that you are gazing out the open door into nature. As you sit back, waiting for the train to begin to roll, you look around the wagon and notice all the details. The weather is perfectly mild and soothing. Perhaps you can sense the smell of hay and the countryside breeze. Notice everything as clearly as you can. You feel slight vibrations as the train powers up, and you can hear its mighty engine hissing as it builds up enough power to pull the massive weight. Soothing station bells begin to ring, alerting that the train is leaving the station. The wagon begins to roll very slowly, and you take a deep breath of relief because you know you are in for a long, relaxing ride. The vibrations of the train rolling along the rails are gentle and soothing. They make you feel at ease and relax you even more. You can hear the relaxing sound of the wheels turning along the tracks. The vibrations under you are so soothing now. They even out into a relaxing hum. As the train has reached a safe and steady speed for a long journey. As you gaze outside, it is still light, but it will be sunset very soon. You can see out both sides of this train car, making for the most beautiful views you have ever seen. You see the ground close to you, passing by very quickly, and the trees nearby passing a little slower. And in the distance, some rolling mountains are moving by ever so slowly as you ride. Look out into this nature and just enjoy its beauty. The sun is beginning to meet the horizon, setting behind a soft, rolling mountain range in the distance. The colors this sunset creates are breathtaking. The pinks and yellows of the sky fade into blue, then into deep blue of the night sky inching in. The gentle mountain range gives off hues of greens and blues and gray. The sundown is reflecting colors of purples mixed with oranges. Now as the sun dips below the mountains, beautiful meadows of warm golden colors are passing by the train, and every now and then a giant old oak tree passes you by, standing proudly in the sprawling fields of gold. This view is mesmerizing, and you are not thinking about anything other than the beauty that you see out of the train. You are getting more and more relaxed and are feeling grateful for these beautiful moments in the twilight upon this sleepy train. You are very comfortable and ready for a long night's sleep. The light of the sun is slowly fading away, and the night sky is chasing away the sunset. Your eyes are becoming heavy with sleep as you watch the day turn to night. The wide meadows have passed by, and the train is entering a forest. The weather cools just a bit, and you can smell the trees as they close in around the train. Darkness has settled in, yet there is crisp moonlight peeking through the trees as they pass by. The hum of the train is very soothing to you, making you even more sleepy. Your eyes are closed now, and every now and then you open them just for a moment to gaze around the wagon and the view into nature. Falling asleep happens quickly, without any effort. You can feel the train rolling along the tracks beneath you. Now just drift and float, not thinking about anything in particular. Just let things come and go, as things always do. Sleep is taking you away now. The train is taking you along for the ride into a new and beautiful destination when you wake up. So enjoy this time and allow my voice to completely fade away, just as the sleepy train rolls along through the wilderness. Have a good night's sleep